First up tonight, the housing market appears to be on somewhat firmer grounds these days.
You may say part of that is because two major tax provisions survived the so-called fiscal cliff.
Congress did not touch the mortgage interest deduction. Also, it extended tax relief for 1 year on mortgage debt forgiveness. News 13's Bree Jackson has more in tonight's top story at 6.
New numbers show single-family home sales along the Grand Strand were up nearly 13% compared to the same time last year. Experts say moving forward, the fiscal deal could help the housing market even more, now that lawmakers kept the mortgage interest deductions.
That's one of the largest deductions and one of the biggest reasons we see people purchase because that's a large write-off every single year. And on top of that was major news in regards to the Mortgage Debt Forgiveness Act.
Sloan says if the deal did not extend tax breaks on loan modifications, short sales, and foreclosures, homeowners would have been taxed on the difference, which may have hindered economic recovery.
You know, depending on what tax bracket you're in, that could be an extra $20,000, $30,000 for people who couldn't even make a mortgage payment. So that's something that's really key because now they can short sale, get out of their house, and be able to get back in the housing market a lot sooner versus having judgments and things for years to come.
Experts expect the fiscal cliff deal to lower the number of foreclosures and support the slow rise in home prices.
This will help stabilize it and continue that growth kind of out of the bottom of that trench. But for buyers, there's still a lot of motivation for them to continue home ownership, getting those tax breaks, deductions, things like that.
And experts say a good year in the housing market could help drive the economy forward in 2013. In Horry County, Bree Jackson, News 13.
The fiscal cliff deal also allows borrowers to deduct the amount they pay for private mortgage insurance, plus it extended the energy efficiency tax credit.